Well, I'll give you a quick rundown on how to tear down a Qeerjet. And this is a 78 Cadillac. You can tell because it's got the electric controls. All electric. And here's a secondary vacuum to keep the butterfly open. But here's where we start. First thing we do is pull out the secondary needles. Set them aside. Then all these screws that go around here. Let's see, there's 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Get those all gone. And this one's got a baffle on it because that's the vent. Lock washers, keep track of them. Okay, now if you don't have a perfect punch right at hand, this is a 4-penny finish nail. You just snip the end off of it and you push this in just far enough that you can get a small screwdriver behind it to return it when you're done. But just pop that out. There's the pumper leg. Save that. Now there's 2 screws down in here. And don't worry about them, they cannot fall through the venturi. They won't do it. Once we get this lined up. And if you're careful, if you're really careful, the magnet on your screwdriver will hold it so you don't have to worry about losing it. You need to loosen up this vacuum hose right here. Make sure the pumper's free. And now we're ready to lift the top. Make sure that vacuum hose stays where it came from. Oh, I forgot this. This is the choke release. Now this particular one has a screw. You can take it off. Some of these don't have a screw. You can't take them off. You leave that rod in there, you'll have to work your way around it. And you got this rod here to take off, so you need to lean it this way so this rod will come out. And now we're ready. See if we can get this out of here. Make sure you lift it far enough to clear these. Don't want to bend those. And then turn it up sideways. You should be able to get that rod out. And there's the top. There's the accelerator pump. Gasket came off with it because it's already broke. It's broke out in here, so it wouldn't come off if it wasn't broke out, because this thing fits right there. And this is the vacuum control for the jets. Wow, that thing's busted. Junk. Okay, and then you work these jets out of here. Don't forget about the spring. And then this little plate here covers the float. See if I can get it out of there. Success! Set that aside. And then the float is free. The whole thing comes out with the needle. Set that aside. Now down inside of here, now when it comes to this pumper, sometimes it stays in there. Now you need to reach down in here, and there's a screw down here. Where it actually is a retainer plug. And that retains the ball for the pumper. It's got a check ball in there. And at this time, it's time to attempt to get that ball out of there. Yep, there it is. It was free. And that's the basic teardown on a Qeerjet. Then you turn it over, and there's 2 bolts right here. They're Phillips head. Takes the whole plate off. Then it's ready for the tank.